Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and I'm out here in the beautiful Ocala National Forest with Rachel, and we're gonna go ahead and make up a quick dessert in the Dutch oven here. So what are we gonna go ahead and do here?
All right. Well, so we're gonna do a brie appetizer. We're gonna get the puffy paste, put everything together, put the brie. You need brie cheese, and then you need some kind of jelly. I always get something fancy. This one is the pecan apple butter. Never tried that before. I'm gonna put egg on top of it so it's flaky. Put everything together, and then put the Dutch oven on top of it. Put coals top on bottom, and then wait 45 minutes and see how it turns out.
So we just opened up this brie cheese right here. Look at how perfect that brie cheese looks. This is gonna be absolutely perfect for this recipe. So what's it smell like, Rachel?
It smells like fall. Ooh, it's got chunks of pecans in it. It's pretty yummy.
All right, so while Rachel's making the finishing touches on preparing this over here, I come over here and there's this wonderful looking queso dip over here. So how is it?
Amazing it is. We've got buffalo chicken dip, and we put in a ton of cheese. What is it, like a package of cheese?
A whole package of cheddar.
Look at this, just that cheddar
Never have too
right
much
all
cheese.
over here on the Timbo tusk, looking amazing. So Rachel's gonna go ahead and open this up. She actually has a Dutch oven upside down, which is interesting. I've never seen that done before. She's got her gloves on, safety first.
Try not to get covered in ashes. And let's see if I messed it up. Oh,
Look at that. That is coming out absolutely fantastic.
I'm freaking a little. Fucking eyes are killing me. Alright, yeah, we need way longer.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and throw the lid back on and check it here in a bit. Knockout check number 2.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Would you just look at that? Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and set it right on the dry pine needles. We do have fire extinguishers, water, and a shovel. All right, so this is looking like the finished product here. I mean, look at this. It almost looks like a piece of meat. And then we have the crackers here that we're gonna dip it in. So Rachel's gonna go ahead and cut it open.
Alright, let's see.
Listen to that sizzle right there. This stuff is absolute lava.
Oh wow. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that.
It is just juicy, melting, and
just
squirting
look at
everywhere.
And that's the pecan jelly coming out with the cheese. And all mixed together. Give it some crunch. See some. I'm gonna grab one of these. Do that. Super hot. That's pretty good.
So it's pretty good?
Phenomenal, yeah.
Awesome.